Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock academic suit for free in Hearttopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the academic suit, you need to find a golden bubble and the location is here. Let me show you on the map. You can go to the deer tower and it's right here guys. But the bubble is kind of difficult guys to pop. Okay, I'm using my car. You can go to this tent and then you're going to go to this area and we're going to pop the bubble, but we need to be super careful. Okay, I'm going to use the light. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna jump. Oh, okay. Super careful. It's right. Oh my god, I fall. Okay, guys, I'm struggling, but that's okay. Okay, I'm pretty close to the bubble, and now it's time to pop the bubble to get the academic suit. Okay, let's jump. Okay. Okay, and I've just unlocked the academic suit. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the academic suit in Hearttopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!